For this tip, we're going back in m365copilot.com, and I will click on the three dots at the top right, and I will click on settings. This is so important. A lot of people don't know that. And I will go to personalization right here, and I will set up some custom instructions. So these instructions, they help you add details about your preferences, so Copilot always respond the same way. Let me show you here. I will click on edit instructions, and basically you add your custom instructions right here. You can put which tool are you using, what are you doing at work, or how you would like Copilot to respond. And one thing that I like, you see here, I'm going to scroll down. Here we go. So what I added here, it says, when I ask you to write an email or to reply back to an email, could you come up with two versions? One that is more professional, one that is more concise. Please identify the two versions clearly when you answer me. So when I have this on, Copilot will always give me two examples, two versions of my email. So let me show you right here. I'm going to go in my work tab, and I'm going to say, can you answer to the latest email from Shauna Kenny? And I didn't give a lot of details here. I should say, could you tell her that I cannot attend? And you can see here, it found one last unread email. So I use the work tab because when I'm in the paid M365 Copilot, it gives access to Copilot to my whole work environment. That's a perk of the paid version. And you can see the latest email from Shauna Kenny is the invoice, right? They need to pay me. And you can see there's a version 1 that is professional, and there's a version 2 that is concise. We cannot really see the difference here because I didn't give a lot of details in my prompt, but you get the point here. Custom instructions, super useful. When you do X, let Copilot do Y. So that was the custom instructions. I think it deserves a little, oh my God. Here we go to the next tip. The Copilot tip you just saw is one of the 7 tips that I'm showing in my video. 7 Copilot tips that will make you say, oh my God. It's right here. You know what to do next.